Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Class channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to participate on DOLVEN LAB TESTNET version 1. So if you can remember, few months back I have dropped an update on how to get the Discord rule, which is the eligibility rule, the testnet eligibility rule. So if you have that rule, that means you are good to go. Even if you don't have, you are also good to go. You can test it because I see a message that one of the team member say that they will consider even those who without Discord rule. But for those who have the Discord rule are the one that are eligibility for their incentive so far. So guys, to begin that, we have to start by downloading AgentX wallet as usual. I know most of you have already have the Agent wallet since from the first video. So to do that, you just need to go to your Kiwi browser, then type AgentX wallet extension. It will show you. Then you can now add it to your Kiwi browser. As usual, if you use PC, you can just use your Chrome and it will work fine. So let me enter my Kiwi since I have already done my setup since from the last video. Let me show you how it is. So when we come to here is the AgentX wallet. So here is how the wallet is. Maybe you have to change, maybe your own. By default I think it's in mainnet. You can click on this place to change it to testnet. So when you change it to testnet, you'll not find this Ethereum balance in your own, so you have to request for a faucet since we are doing testnet. So you can copy your address. When you copy your address, then let us go back to the manual. So when you copy your address, you can come to this place, which is the faucet.georli.starknet. If you click on it, you can use Chrome browser. After it open, you can now paste your address and then solve the captcha here, the reCAPTCHA there, and then submit. You can just submit your address here, then solve this and then click on request. But the problem with this is that most of the time this particular request failed. So that is why I come with another way of getting this testnet faucet very simple without you doing this, because doing this is it is very waste of time, and then it will like consume your time, and at the end of the time it will be in vain. So you see from this one, request error. So to do this, just come to this, which is the second link. I've already dropped it here. I will drop it in the description of this video. Click on this Georli faucet, because now we are going to deal with bridge. So we are going to request Georli Etherium testnet and then bridge that Georli that we received to Starknet. So maybe if you already have Georli Etherium, so you don't need to request again. If you don't have, you just need to click on this. When you click on this link, open it in your browser and then paste your address here. So now you just need to paste your address and then click on send me Ethereum, that is ETH. So when you click on this, you just need to wait for it and it will send you some of this. This is not the right address. I forgot to tell you, just copy any address from your MetaMask. Yeah, copy your Ethereum address from your MetaMask. After you copy it, then put it here and then request for the faucet, they will send you 0.1 Ethereum. So when you finally receive it, because it will be automatically, because the network is good, so it will not waste your time. So when you finally receive that faucet, you just need to come and click on this Starknet, this faucet dot this one, this Georli.starknet. So if you click on this, then you have to use Kiwi browser as usual. Use Kiwi browser for this, because you are going to bridge now that Georli Ethereum that we receive now. We are going to bridge it to Starknet, because this is the easiest and the most reliable source now, because doing that the main faucet for the stack, it will pop up a lot of errors, and at the end of the day it will just waste your time. So when you are here, let me change it to desktop view for more to see everything very clear. So now when you are here, so when you are finally here, sorry, I just get that's, and I mistakenly put the, so when you are finally, I mistakenly put the link that I just pasted there for the that I just click for the bridge, get a little error. That is why it's showing that time and condition. So just use this one and it will work fine. So when the link finally open like this, then now you have to first click on this place. Click on this place, which is the connect Ethereum wallet, which is your MetaMask, and then the next link is to connect your AgentX wallet. So if you click on this, then click on MetaMask, wait for it to pop up. After you have unlocked your wallet, then go back to this website again, and then connect it with Starknet. So you have seen that I have finally connect everything here, because this happened because I have already connected it last time. So that is why the thing it didn't show me to approve this in my Starknet and my MetaMask. So if you are doing it for the first time, you have to approve this action. So when your wallet finally connect, that means when you finally connected all your wallets, you see your Ethereum, that your Georli Etherium showing here. That means you are good to go. So you just need to type any amount for, like, let me say I wanted to bridge 0.1 Georli Etherium to Starknet Ethereum. I'll just click on this 0.1 and then click on transfer. Let me just put 0.5 here, then click on transfer. So when you click on transfer, this process will take around 30 minutes above, maybe around 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So you have to just wait for it to complete. So you can just go and do something, some of this. You can just go and come back, and finally you'll find that Ethereum in your Starknet wallet. So when you receive the Ethereum in your Starknet wallet, now you are good to go. So let's go for the next task now. So now the next task is to click on this, click on the testnet, the Dolven testnet link, which is the testnet.dolvenlab.com. So if you click on it, select your Kiwi again, so now that your Dolven link is open, I will recommend you to change it to your desktop view if you are using mobile. And sorry to say, we are actually going to experience some delay because of the network we are using, which is the Starknet. Starknet is very, very slow, and it's actually a slow, and you have to just wait patient for you to complete this tasknet successfully. So first thing to do here is that if you are new to the website, they are going to ask you to put your email. you can put any of your email, and then it will take you to, sorry, let us connect this website first. Connect this wallet, use your Starknet, your AgentX. Sorry, when you click on your AgentX, you can now open your AgentX, or you can just click here and then open your AgentX here. Open your AgentX, then click on connect. So when you click on this connect, then you can now go back to your Dolphin wallet, and finally it will connect. Wait for it a little. While waiting for this to complete, I just experienced that there is an incoming transaction in our MetaMask, which I forget to tell you that you need to approve that transaction for your 0.05 Ethereum Georli to transfer to your Starknet. So if you just click on confirm, if you enter your Ethereum wallet, after you click on confirm, then you are good to go. You can now leave this, because we are not going to use MetaMask again for this tutorial again. So now wait for this to finish loading. I don't know why it is taking time. Hopefully it will connect it in a few minutes. Let me just pause this video and figure out what is happening. So now that the website is finally connected, I don't think you will have problem while connecting your own. I think my problem is that I have some little error. I have little error with my browser. That is why. So when you finally connected your wallet, your Starknet wallet with your Dolphin website, just click. It will show you something like this. Click on next. Click on next again. Then you can click on next, since we have already requested our faucet. Then click on sign in. So now here is where where I'm telling you to put your address. So now so your email, your email. So here you can type anything. I think I'll just type let me type this. So after I have typed this, I'll just click on register. After I click on register, now successfully subscribe. So now I'll just change this to desktop view form to see everything very clear, because I like the desktop view. It will show everything you need to see. So here we go. The website UX is very good, but the main problem is the Starknet. So now you see that my wallet is successfully connected, and here is a place that I wanted to show you. You see that we are to request these two faucets. So requesting these two faucets, it will actually take time, because you are going to wait for to around 1 hour. I think, just let's say you click it now and then come back around 12 o'clock or something like that, since now it is 11 something here. So you can just do that. So let me start with the test DLV token. When I click on this test DLV token, it will take me to my AgentX wallet to confirm this. So here we go. You can see that I finally received this. Then click on approve. Sometimes while approving this, you find an error transaction, so you have to wait for a little time to come back and continue with your tax. So now, as you can see, I have already requested the DLV, so I have to wait now and till I receive it. So even if I click this now, I think it will not work because of the pending transaction. So when I receive this, I will click on the mint LP token. So we are going to wait for it. So imagine you have already received all your token here. From the guide, I have mentioned that the only way you can check whether you received the faucet is after you have finished clicking on the mint options. Like let's say you give it around 1 hour, then come back again to check it. You can just click on this place, this tick. Yeah, I mean this tick, you can click on it. So the task we are doing here, actually you are doing for the version 1 of this testnet, we are doing 3 tasks. The first one is we are going to stake DLV that we receive from the mint, and we are going to also we are going to stake the LP token. That means we are going to farm the LP token. After that, we are going to also harvest harvest our reward. After we harvest the reward, then we are going to unstake little amount of what we have staked. As usual, if you are participating on testnet, you know how to do that. So, and the next task is minting your own token. So Dolven Lab give you an opportunity, like it's a protocol that will give you opportunity to create your own token without writing a contract or without programming. Everything very simple. So let me show you how to let me illustrate you how to do the staking. If you click on this stake now, when you click on this stake, wait for it to finish refreshing. So when this website is open fully and you wanted to check whether you receive your DLV, you can just click on this. Maximum. So when you click on maximum, it will show you all the balance, all the faucet, all the DLV faucet you receive. I think it will show you around 90,000 DLV. And also you can click on this farm. You can click on this farm here. When you click on it, it will show you the LP token you receive. When you click on the maximum button here, you click on this maximum button here, as usual. So wait for it to finish refreshing. So when you click on this maximum, it will show you the amount you receive here, which is 0. You see, sorry, you receive 4.5. So when you receive those tokens, so the task here to do is to stake any amount you want. So imagine since you have received let's say 90,000 of DLV, you can just take, let's say, let me see, 1000 DLV. When you click on it, then you can now click on this place, stake, approve your stake. You see the button here. Since you have 0 balance, that is why it is showing this. So you see approve stake. So when you click on approve stake, then you have to enter your wallet here to confirm this. As you can see, here's the faucet that I received. So it will take a lot of time before it complete. So you can just go and come back. So when you finally click on it and you approve this transaction in your AgentX wallet, you have to wait for a minimum of 20 minutes above. So you can go and do what you want to do. You can go and do other stuff you have. So after like 20 to 30 minutes, you can come back, and finally, hopefully, you see your balance showing here. That means the balance that you stake it will show here. It will show here, and your reward will show here also. Your reward will show here, your pending reward. So when you finally stake it, you can also come here and farm it. Then for this, you can, since you have only received 4.5, you can either lock all, or just put 4 here and then click on this place, that is the stake and approve. When you click on it, confirm the transaction in your AgentX wallet. After you confirm your transaction in your AgentX wallet, then wait for 20 to 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how the speed, the network speed is at that particular time. So when you finally stake and also farm, then the next thing is to come this place and harvest your reward. You see your reward here showing. Just come and click on harvest, approve the transaction. It will take little time, maybe 20 to something minutes. After you have claimed this your stake reward, you can do for the bot, I mean the stake and the farm. So when you finally harvest all your reward, you can come to this place again, which is the other tax, which is to unstake little amount of what you have staked. Since we have, let's say, since you have staked 1000 DLV, so you can just come here and put 100 and then unstake it. So when you have finally unstake it, you can also do the same for this farm. You can also do the same for this farm. Just take like 1 out of the 4 you have stake, or 0 point something out of the 4 you have stake, and then unstake it. So when you finally unstake it, approve the transaction, it will take the same almost 20 to more than 20 minutes to complete. So after the transaction is done, that means you have done with this part. The next part is the token mint. So to do the token mint, you can click on this place. Now when you click on this place, I click on this navigation button, in case if you didn't grab. I click on this navigation button since I'm using desktop view, and then click on this. I will now click on this permissionless token minter. So here it is. Yeah, so I will just click on it. When you click on it, wait for it to open now. So here it is. So after this open, the next task to do here is to create your own token. So since we are going to create our own token, that means you can put any kind of information you want here. So let me say I wanted to create a token called tech class. Then I will just leave this decimal as 18. Then here the limit, I will just put any number. I don't want to create shitcoin. Let me just put a Lambo token. Let me just create a Lambo token with small supply. Let me say 10,000 supply. Then here the ticket symbol. So you can put anything for our ticket symbol. That for the tech class symbol, I'll just put TCZ. Let me put TCZ. After I put the TCZ, I'll now click on proceed, this proceed button. So it will also take time, let's say 1 hour. When you click on this proceed, then I say confirm the transaction in your AgentX wallet. After you have approved it, you have to wait for it. As you can see, this one, it is still loading up to now. It is still loading. That is why I just say, let me just illustrate everything for you, so that we not waste our time waiting for it. And hopefully I wish you people will understand, because it is very, very simple task. Just that the website sometimes, the wallet sometimes get an error issue, so you have to wait for it. Sometimes when approving, when you click on proceed for a transaction, and you enter your AgentX to confirm it, you see an error message, like a red error message that will not allow you to approve. So for that kind of case, just close the wallet and then go and rest. after you rest for like 1 to 2 hours, then come back and continue. I don't even know this. Actually, this Starknet, they really need to work on their network. It is very very lagging and very very slow network. So when you have finally mint your token, after, as I said, after some little, sorry, let me say, let me just say, after 1 hour, it will show around here. You see the name of the token and the supply, everything here. You see the token information, everything here. So when you have finally done that, then let me check the manual. Let me check the manual. Yeah, here is the like we are actually done with this, because here's the final step for the v1. It means the version 1 of the testnet. That means we are going to participate for the version 2 and version 3. So in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe and also share this video with families and friends. Don't forget to click on the notification button in case we drop any updates, very very important updates, so that you will get notified. So guys, the last task now is to fill the feedback form. This is very very important. So click on this last link, which is the Google document link. Then you can use any of your browser for this. So here's how to fill this link. So when the form open, the first thing is to paste your address. That means your Starknet address. So you have to copy your Starknet address and then paste it here. That means the address you use for the testnet. Then the second thing now is the Discord username. Here is very 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 important. Make sure the username you are putting here is the same one you have the Discord testnet rule. It is very very important. So when you are finally do that, then here is a caution that they are saying, were you able to use the staking and farming module? Yes, we are able to use it, and it is very very simple to use. Yeah, we actually find the interface easy, because it is very very easy to actually navigate. It's just that the blockchain that the blockchain they are using, which is the Starknet, is very very lagging and slow. Then what do you like most? I actually like the UX, because it's very very good and user friendly. I like the color scheme. Yeah, easy navigation, everything is good. Then here, do you encounter any glitch? Yeah, we haven't encountered any glitch with their website. That means most of our problem is the wallet. Sorry, is the blockchain. That means the Starknet blockchain. So here you can describe any bug you found, any stuff you wanted to recommend or something like that. So I'll just pause this video to type it. So now that I finally type my experience with them, then I can now submit this. So click on submit. When you click on submit, that means you are done with this, the testnet 1. That means there is testnet 2 and testnet 3. So guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys will actually enjoy this video and also understand it. You have to wait patient to complete this testnet, and I hope it will worth it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.